Oh, what up, DP peeps? I'm just chilling, hanging out, enjoying the view. I'm a little tight-eye looking sky. Y'all remember that? Sitting on it in his chair. Wonder what's going on today? You wonder what's going on today? About part 2 for thanking y'all for 500 subscribers all day. Every day, DepriveD Productions. You better be subscribed on our YouTube channel, because you can't have all this cool stuff I'm about to give you. I'm just playing. You can have it. You can share it with your friends. Anybody can have it. I got some cool stuff for you. You know what I'm talking about? None of this, because this comes with Unreal Engine 4 already. But guess what I got? Something that has nothing to do with Unreal Engine 4, but will help you with your gaming. But first, I want to talk about a couple things, just like we did last time in our part 1 of thanking you guys for 500. Got a couple things I want to talk about. Y'all remember? Look at everything all frame ready. It's having trouble processing all this stuff at the same time, but we got a bunch of other cool stuff I want to recap on, so let's get started on that. Y'all remember a little Ark, right? A little Ark Survival Evolved playing through for fun, just showing y'all every once in a while, just something cool, talking about shack and all kind of wood. Y'all remember? Wood. I'm gonna get some of it. I'm gonna get all of it. I might already got it. Remember the old Axe Edit 3 for all my Fractal Axe Effects 3 users, making some guitar tones. Got a little heavy, got a little deep. Jumped in there a little bit, did like an overview of it. We'll be doing some more tutorials in the future, but this is a really expensive piece of hardware, so I don't touch on it too much. Now check out my guitar tone. We released some promo videos with some free content, and one of them was a big dedication to my best friend Michael Sunderland from the Shark Tank, mixer.com/cardshark. Y'all better be checking him out. One of the best streamers on there by far. He streams from like 2 a.m. to 6 or 8 a.m. in the morning every single morning. How are you missing him? Go check him out. He's awesome.
In a world where a man is constantly forced to watch the lobby.
Wow. And how about some Pro Tools, which is my passion, my favorite thing to do, audio production, showing you guys some cool stuff so you can make some music for your video games or whatnot and whatever not, and just learning some more neat stuff about production in general. Remember when I brought my buddy Thomas over to talk to us for a little bit?
Yeah, I mean, I was online, and I was trying to find some tutorials, you know.
DepriveD, our very own DepriveD, released several tracks. We've got them on the channel. Make sure you check those out. Got a couple guest appearances from time to time. We did this here. I got this Linkin Park cover we did from the Inside by Linkin Park. Love this track. Check it out. Free download on the channel. Anyways, on to the free content. I like sound effects with my mouth. I like making them with my mouth. Anyway, here we go. What I've got today is 2 free, royalty-free, commercial-free, use it for whatever you want, tracks, orchestral symphonic tracks, obviously instrumental. You can use them in any video game, your video game. You can use them in any video, your friends' videos, any short films, commercials, movies. I don't care what you're doing, but 2 instrumental orchestral tracks, it's all yours. Let's take a glimpse. This first one is called In Edgewise. Much more upbeat, much more radical sounding, really dark, maybe like a battle theme for some RPG style stuff. Let's take a little listen to that. Okay, so you kind of have an idea what it is, kind of radical, very strange sounding sometimes. Now, let's check out the second track. This one is called 7th Requiem. And it's very dark, very eerie, very melodic in its own way, pretty, slow, beautiful, but very, very atonal and dark at points. Let's take a quick listen. There you go. The oddball sound of that theme may fit something you're doing. Like I said, feel free to use it. And again, you can thank DepriveD for putting this together, obviously our musician, which is me, so you're welcome. I love you, miss you, and all that good stuff. And that's it, guys. We gave you the 3 particle systems in part 1. These 2 tracks for part 2, they will both be released on the channel tomorrow as separate videos, separate download links, and then I'm obviously going to make sure you guys understand that the download links link to all kinds of other free stuff, everything, the materials, the particle systems, the music, and then other things that we'll be doing later. All the different free content. I want to make sure you know how to get it. And guys, one thing, I want to thank you guys for everything you've done. You've been so supportive. You've been so amazing. We're going on 600 subscribers now. We're booking it, and it's amazing. I love it. But one thing you can do, if there's anything you'd like to do to support DepriveD Productions, we sell our music. The only one we have out is our EP, Final Alpha by DepriveD. It's 3 tracks. You're talking $3. So if you can spend $3 to help us out, to keep us moving, listen to our music, jam it, share it, let everybody hear it, that's what we want to do, and that's what we will be always doing in the background. Sending out music for everyone to hear. We got an album we're about to start working on. I'm gonna have some awesome guests on it. I can't wait to release it. This is high quality, progressive, hard rock / metal, technical music. I am definitely the vocalist, the guitar player. I usually do a lot of the music, and we record everything here in my studio, Attempted Studios. But that is the one way you can support me and this channel and everyone that's worked so hard to get it where it is now. And I've got a lot of other awesome stuff to show you guys, but please, if you ever want to support us, please hit it up. Besides that, just subscribe to the channel. Keep on watching videos. Keep on commenting. Keep on liking. Keep on sharing. Keep on having a blast. Keep on asking questions. Let's learn stuff. Let's fix stuff. Let's break stuff. Let's blow up stuff. Let's crap on stuff. I don't care. Hit the Facebook page. Hit the YouTube channel. Check out the music, please, if you want to be part of our community and support us. I love you. I miss you. I've had so much fun with you guys, and we're not even close to done. Peace.